and welcome to the Department of ECE from Future Institute of Engineering and Management. This Electronics and Communication Engineering department utilizes nonlinear and active electrical components such as semiconductor devices, especially transistors, diodes, and integrated circuits to design electronic devices and circuits, VLSI devices, and their systems. Students here are also given opportunity to learn, develop, and grow with advanced skill set on microwave engineering, telecommunication and satellite communication, remote sensing, embedded system, digital image processing, artificial intelligence, etc. During last 1 year, the department has reached to a new high and acclaimed with success from every academic and professional spheres. Students here are not only engaged through traditional classroom activities, online meeting platforms and teaching learning tools are extensively used to involve them through online courses, workshops, and other professional training programs. Students are also encouraged to register with online certification courses from NPTEL. Starting from students getting rank in university examination, they have also participated and ranked in different state as well as national competitions for project demonstrations and coding hackathons. This department has highly competent and skilled faculty group, and under their able guidance, students have published near about 24 articles in various national and international conference and journals. Students have also registered success in campus placement process by acquiring 150 plus job offers from various IT and core companies. Alongside to these activities, interaction sessions and workshops are organized quite often to motivate people about entrepreneurship and business models. Eminent people from industry they used to visit our department, our college, to motivate our students with their entrepreneurship goal. At the end, I want to say that if a student having appetite to explore the new and smart inventions of today's era, he or she must come and join ECE department of our college. Thank you.